Hello everyone, so today I'm going to do a video on what's in my bag. Thumbnail. I see a lot of these videos on YouTube and I quite actually like them because I like being nosy. So I thought we could go through my bag together. I haven't looked inside this for about 2 weeks now, so who knows what could be lurking inside. Okay, so I got this in the Debenhams closing down sale. It was 75% off. Bargain. As you've probably gathered from now, I love a bargain. So anyway, what's inside? I've got letters, not sure who from, but letters. Does anybody else get a letter, open it briefly and then chuck it inside their bag and think, I'll have a look at that later, and then they don't really have a look at it until last minute? Yeah, that's me. You can hear my dog whining in the background. Millie! What's the matter? 1 second. Okay, I'm back. Where was I? Inside my bag. I've also got my diary. I don't always use this as a calendar diary as it's meant to be because a lot of the time I put things on my phone. I like to use it mainly of little odd jobs that I need to do during the week. So here I've put what I want to film over the next couple of weeks. I think it's quite cute because you can put appointments, motivational quotes, goals and a tick to-do list. I got this from B&M at Christmas. It's also got a cute few little other handy bits like shopping lists, a birthday checklist, so you can write down people's birthdays and you can then tick whether you have bought them a card or a present. What else have we got? There's also an account section in the back, but I don't use this bit. I make my own account thing on Excel. So that's my diary. I've got my sunglasses. I love these sunglasses. These are just from Primark and I love the bug shaped ones because glasses aren't really my thing. Glasses and hats just don't suit me. But these I love, although last summer Primark didn't do them. So Primark, you're watching, bring them back. Because normally they end up in my bag and the lenses come out. But Touchwood, they have lasted the last 2 years. I've also got my normal glasses that I'm supposed to wear when concentrating. So whether I'm on the computer, whether I'm watching TV, driving at night time. I don't always wear them when I'm watching telly unless I've decided to binge watch something and it's given me a headache, but I do wear them driving at night time because the lights of the cars really affect my eyes. I've got long and short sighted in both eyes. They're rugby ball shaped or something. So my eyes have to focus extra hard, and driving at night time, I don't know about anyone else, but I find it strains your eyes a lot more. So my glasses really help with that. I've got my purse, my Michael Kors purse. This one I just keep my passports in, and then it's just got odd bits of money that I don't want to spend on like everyday things. They're things that I'll just save up for. So if I get money in like a card or anything, then it normally goes straight into this purse. I've then got my SelfG Purse, which is my everyday one. This has got all my cards in, sometimes cash, but I pay with card a lot of the time, contactless, and it's also got gift cards in, and loyalty cards, which I love that one. What else have we got? A pot of mints. I prefer the pots because I find if you buy the packets, they always just get lost, or the wrapper just rips everywhere and they're just not great. Whereas these pots, I quite like them. A flump, you know, for a sugar fix. What else have we got? Headphones. They're not actually as knotty as I would expect them to be, but they just get chucked in my bag as well. My tangle teaser with a scrunchie. I always like to keep a scrunchie on me, or a hairband, because I don't like wearing my hair down all the time. It annoys me, although I love having long hair, but sometimes you just want to chuck your hair up, so always keep a scrunchie on me. This little purse is, I keep medication in, so like paracetamol and other medication I keep in this, so then you don't have loads of packets flying around your bag and it's all in one place. My lip balm. This is a Charmex one. I normally keep one of these in my purse, in my car, in my bedroom, other places around my house. I always have dry lips, so this Charmex one, and I also get the hemp lip balm from Body Shop, which I both really recommend if you're like me and you get really, really dry lips, no matter what time of year it is. Hair clip. My power pack. This is a juice power pack. This one can charge your phone up to 4 times, or it can do 3 times your phone and once your iPad, whichever you decide. And I keep my charger with me. I keep a charger with me in my bag, and I keep a charger in my car as well, so I've always got one. My car keys and house keys. What else we got? Pens. Hair slides. Again, if you get that annoying bit of hair, you try and slide it out of the way. Hair slides. You can get these from Primark, and they come with a little plastic case for you to keep them in. Got polos and hauls. You never know when you're going to get a sore throat. What else we got? Hand cream. This coconut hand cream from Avon. Oh, it smells so nice. Nail strengthening cream. I got this from Amazon. I love it. I normally wear S&S on my nails, and this is the first time in 2 years I haven't got anything on my nails, which is really sad. I can't wait for the nail shops to reopen so I can get my nails on again. Anyway, so I took off my S&S because it was really outgrown, and my nails were just horrible. They were so weak and so dry that I've been using this 2 to 3 times a day now for the last 2 weeks, and there has been a massive improvement in my nails. They're so much stronger, they're so much smoother. My cuticles still need a bit more work. They're still slightly dry, so I use a combination of these, and there's a lot of improvement happening. This was only like a couple of quid off Amazon, and I would highly recommend it. It was the Nunel, this one. I would highly recommend that, especially if you're like me and you wear S&S daily, or you have your acrylics done, shellac, then I would definitely recommend that. And last but not least, hand sanitizer. The thing that seems to be more worth than money nowadays. So yeah, that's everything that is inside my bag. It's quite tidy for me. Normally I get things, I see stuff laying around my house and I just chuck it in my bag and think, oh, I might need that. But quite impressed with that. So anyway, I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please give it a like and a thumbs up, and I will see you